Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the one box break. If you end up in spot 1, 2, 3, you get a spot in the Noir break. It's 9:48, 46 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. To the participants first, so we'll find out who's in the Noir. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Luke Williams, Simon, and Luke Williams. Congrats. Well, that'll make Luke go into the Noir more. And teams. We're going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 9. Save that. Random is complete. The teams are time is 9:50, 24 p.m. Melbourne time.